The exercise number 3.1. The first sum, second division. Solve 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 equal to 0. 1 by y minus z plus 1 equal to 0. 2 by z plus 3 by x equal to 14. You see the variables x, y, z, these are exit in the denominator. Okay, exit in the denominator. Therefore, the variables not allowed in the denominator. Therefore, we change in pattern. Therefore, I take the 1 by x as a p and 1 by y equal to, I take the 1 by y equal to q and 1 by z is also I take the r. Okay. Now we say 1 by x, where is apply 1 by x? You see 1 by x place write the p. Therefore, you see the first equation p, you see the first equation p, next 2 by y, therefore 1 by y value q, therefore 2q, therefore write the 2q, okay. Next plus 4, write the plus 4 equal to the 0, it is the equation number 1. Next secondly, you see the second, this equation, second equation, 1 by y place I write the q, therefore 1 by y place I write the q, 1 by z place I write the r plus 1 equal to 0, it is the second one. Next 1 by z place, 1 by z value is the r, therefore 1 by z place I write the r, therefore we getting the 2r, therefore 2r, next 2r, next plus 1 by x, the 1 by x value is the p, therefore 3p, write the 3p. Next take the 14 to left hand side, the minus 14 equal to 0. It is the third equation. Okay, now for we getting the three equation 1, 2, 3. You see these three equations. First I take the first equation and second equation. First equation and second equation. I want to eliminate the q. Here is the q is the like term. Here is the q is the q variable is the like variable. Okay. Therefore, I compare the q only. Here is the 2q. Here is the 1q is appear. Therefore, I make this q as a 2q. Then only I multiply the 2 to the second equation. Therefore, first equation write it same. Next, the second equation multiply the 2. Therefore, second equation multiply 2, the 2 into q, 2q. Therefore, here is also 2q. The both are the like terms. Next, you compare the sign. Here is a minus sign, here is a plus sign. It is a minus, this one is the plus. Therefore, different sign. Different sign means we subtract the value. Therefore, first equation is p minus 2q plus 4 equal to 0. We write it same. Next, second equation is q minus r plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, the q minus r. Therefore, I write the q place write the q and the r place you put the 0r. The first 0r plus 4 equal to 0. The missing term place we write the 0. The p, q, r is not exit. Then only I write the missing term. R is the missing term. That place I write the 0. Okay. Next p is the missing term. Therefore 0p plus. Therefore q, the second equation multiply the 2. Therefore 2q, write the 2q. Next 2r minus 2r. Next 2 into 1 is the 2. The 2 equal to 0. Okay. The first equation you see the p plus 2q, r is missing, the r place I write the 0r. Next constant is the plus 4. I write it equal to 0. Next you see the second equation multiply the 2, we make this q as a 2q. Okay. But you see here is the p term is missing, the p term place I write the 0p. Next you multiply the 2q, multiply the r, 2r. Next multiply the 2 to the 1, we get the 2 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, you see here is the subtraction. The subtraction means the second equation sign of the change. Therefore, it is the plus sign, therefore change to minus. It is the plus minus sign, you change to plus. It is the plus, you change to minus. Now you see we get the p. Next 2q minus 2q, 2q minus 2q, both are the same sign, therefore you put the same sign. 2 plus 2, 4, therefore we get the 4q. Next here is the minus 2r, the minus 2r. See the p equal to 2, the substitute in the first equation. Okay. Therefore, instead of p, write the 2. Therefore, 2 minus the 2q plus 4 equal to the 0. Next, 2 plus 4 gives the 6. 6 minus 2q equal to 0. Next, take the 6 to right hand side. Therefore, minus 2q equal to the minus 6. Therefore, this minus cancel. Therefore, q equal to 6 by 2. Therefore, q equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, we find out the values. The p equal to 2, the q equal to 4, so q equal to 3 and r equal to 4. But what is the p? The p equal to the 1 by x. P is the 1 by x. Therefore, p place write the 2 equal to 1 by x. Okay. Therefore, you take the x this side, you take the 2 to the right hand side. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2. We getting the x value is 1 by 2. Next, q equal to 1 by y. Therefore, q value is the 3. Therefore, 3 equal to 1 by y. I take the y to left hand side and 3 to the right hand side. Therefore, y equal to 1 by 3. Next, here is the r equal to 4. R equal to, we take the 1 by z. Okay, the r value is the 4. 4 equal to 1 by z. I take the z to left hand side. I take the 4 to right hand side. Therefore, z equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, we getting the three values. The x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3, z equal to 1 by 4. We write this value in a box. That's all the answer. The exercise number 3.1. First Roman letter, third sum. Solve x plus 20 equal 3y by 2 plus 10 equal 2z plus 5 equal 110 minus y plus z. Okay, now you see it is the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 values are given here. Therefore, first I equal the first two value. I equal the first two values I equal. Next, second and third I equate. Next, third, fourth I equate. We are getting the three equations. First, I take the first two equations only. First two. Therefore, x plus 20 equal to the 3y by 2 plus 10. Therefore, x plus 20 equal, from the right hand side, I take the LCM. The LCM is the 2. Now, you see the 3y, right, the same 3y. You take the 2 cross multiple to the 10. 2 into 10 is the 20. Next, I take the 2 to left hand side. The 2 multiple to the left hand side value. The 2 into x is the 2x. 2 into 20 gives the 40 equal to the 3y plus 20. Next, I arrange the variable in one side and number in another one side. Therefore, 2x, you take the 3y to left hand side, the minus 3y. I take the number 40 to right hand side, the sign change to minus 40 plus 20. Therefore, 2x minus 3y equal to the minus 20. It is the first equation. Next, I take the second and third. I equal the second and third. 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to the 2z plus 5. Next, I take the LCM in the denominator. The denominator, common denominator is the 2. Next, 3y, I take the 2 and cross multiple to the 10. The 2 into 10, 20 equal to the 2z plus 5. Next, I take the 2 to right hand side. The 2 is multiple to these two terms. Therefore, the 3y plus 20 equal to 2 into 2z, 4z. 2 into 5, the 10. Okay. Next, I arrange the variable in one side and the number in another one side. Therefore, the 3y minus 4z. 3y minus 4z equal to minus 20. You take the 20 to right hand side, minus 20 plus 10. Therefore, the 3y minus 4z, the minus equal to the minus 10. It is the equation number 2. Next, I take this third term, this third value and fourth value. Okay, I equate the third and fourth. The third is the 2z plus 5. The 2z plus 5 equal to the fourth value is the 110. The 110 minus y plus z. Okay, next the 2z plus 5 equal to the 110. I take the minus and multiply inside the minus y minus z. Next, arrange the variables in one side, number in another one side. Therefore, 2z, I take the y to left hand side, the plus y, I take the minus z to left hand side, plus z equal to the 110. I take the 5 to right hand side, its sign is changed to minus. Next, 2z plus z, we get the value 3z. 3z plus y equal to the 105. Therefore, we arrange in order the y plus 3z equal to 105. The equation number is the 3. Next step, I compare the third equation and second equation. I compare the third and second equation. Second equation is y plus second equation 3y minus 4z. 3y minus 4z equal to the minus 10 is the second equation. It is the second equation. I compare the third equation and second equation. I want to eliminate the z. I want to eliminate the z term. Okay. Then we make it as a like term. Okay. Now you see here is the 3z, here is the 4z. Therefore, you multiply by 4 by this third equation. 3 4s are 12. We get the value 3 4s are 12. Next, you multiply by 3 to the second equation. 3 4s are 12. Therefore, we make it as a 12z. This one is the 12z. Therefore, number values are equal. Next, you compare the sign. It is a plus. This one is the minus. The different sign. Different sign means we add the equation. Okay. Now you see the third equation multiplied by the 4. Third equation multiplied by the 4 and plus the fourth equation multiplied by the 3. The third equation multiplied by 4, we get the value 4y. The 4y plus the 12z next equal to the 420. Next, second equation multiplied by the 3. 3 into 3y, 9y. The 9y. Next, 4z, 3 4s are 12. The 12z, therefore minus 12 z. Next, multiply the 3 minus 30. Therefore, equal to the minus 30. Therefore, we add the both values, both equations. These are the like term, sign only different. Therefore, it is cancelled. The 4y plus 9y, we getting the value is the 13y. 13y equal, here is the, we getting value the 390. The 390. Therefore, y equal to 390 divided by 13. Therefore, y equal to the 30. Therefore, the 13 divided the 39 is 3 times. Therefore, add 1 0, the 30. Therefore, y value is we getting 30. Next, y equal to 30. Y equal to 30. We substitute in the first equation. Therefore, first equation is the 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. Therefore, instead of y, I write the 30. Therefore, 2x minus 3 into the 30 equal to minus 20. Therefore, 2x minus 90 equal to minus 20. Therefore, 2x equal to minus 20. You take the 90 minus 90 to right hand side. The sign is changed to the plus. Therefore, the 2x equal to the 70. Therefore, x equal to 70 divided by 2. Therefore, x value is the 35. The x is the 35. Therefore, we find the two values, one value y, another one value is the x. Next, the third value z we want to find out. Therefore, I take the y value, the y equal to 30. The substitute in the third equation. The third equation is y plus 3z. Y plus 3z equal to the 105. The instead of y, I write the 30. The 30 plus the 3z equal to 105. Therefore, the 3z equal to, I take the 30 to right hand side, the 105 minus 30. Therefore, we are getting the value is 75. Therefore, the 3z equal to the 75. Next, the z equal to, I take the 3 to right hand side, the divide by the 3. Therefore, z equal to the 25. Therefore, we find out the values x, y, z. Okay. So, write the values in box. Therefore, x value equal to 35 and y value is the 30 and the z value is the 25. We write separately and put in a box. It is the answer.